Snack, what up? Stop on.
I can feel the jealousy seep in your blood. Bitch, this ain't my house, it's just a place that I can keep my drugs. I'm just trying to feed the plug. Hate it, I don't feel the love. It's like Timon and Pumbaa, the way that they finna eat a slug. Settle down, stick to the plan. I smother eyelid on me and the fam, knocking you up. This brother Solomon, who the boss? You should call him in. Tell him God's in the office now. Rottweiler dog, they hear me bark and they walk around. Rico bunch of havoc, hard to keep it together. Just a puppet, only person on your team is Geppetto. Got grams of that Holy Ghost, I'm selling keys to the devil. It's like a cult, they taste the punch and they be sleeping forever. Etch a sketch, yeah, they try to shake them up and then I'm drawing on them. Chains hanging to the floor, looking like a Spawn comic. All them haters in the room, I'm about to drop a bomb on it. Cross the line and die, going Tron on it. I'm on it.
Cut the connection, I'm dropping lines like lost calls. These days, people end up dying when the cops call. The world's a mess, still feeling like a lost cause. Let me paint a picture for you bitches, this is Bob Ross. Always on the run and I ain't never took a pit stop. Burning my bouquet, I keep my flowers in a Ziploc. 15 years I've been here, how you gonna shit talk? You got 15 seconds, your career's a fucking TikTok. Better show respect if it's all you do. With or without it, I'll be cool. Still bound crew, that's all you do. Other crews running out of fuel. Split them in two like a molecule. Every time I talk, gotta drop a jewel. I've been living on top, can't block my view. Got a little bit of love and it got me through. Ooh. Been hearing voices and I'm weary of them all. Made a lot of bad choices, keep them buried in the vault. Been doing this a minute now, you momentarily evolve. Bringing terror from the clouds like an aerial assault.
Fuck a virus, I've been distant for a minute. 300 verses like a book I never finished. I got 1,000 songs, 100 albums I've been sitting on. Demons in my head, watch them sing along. Angels cry, voices been saying I'm the realest nigga alive. I feel in my heart that I'm different, so why do I question my greatness like I ever needed to try? Shit comes so natural, flow like tears real niggas cry to. See all that cap in your rapping to jump you a rat, who the fuck you gon' lie to? That way you at by the way you react when my niggas pull up and surprise you. Sharks is in the tank, you knock 'em on that dank. Give no fucks what you think, I'm laughing to the bank. I'm just tryna stack a billion pesos, put my babies on the payroll. Feel like Super Saiyan with the halo. I can live forever in a day, bro, and I'm getting everything I prayed for.
Watch the sunset on the money, that's a pay-per-view. And I ain't doing shit for free, that's a pay-per-view. I dream of green in different colors if the paper blue. These faces subject to changes when I make that new. I'm separated by my talent, the average can't even cope. Doubt and hate, animosity lit the fire to my smoke. I've been eager at the game, so just put me on, coach. Whenever I'm on a plane, they don't put me on, coach. It's like, fuck your standards, my shit banging regardless. I gotta open up more, I gotta use my guard less. Gotta clip my weeds, look for snakes up in my garden. My vibe is Big Dipper, the way I'm reaching for starting my part, and I'm fucking great. You're probably you're fucking late. I'm coming just like a bull, seeing flags are red out the gate. It's all bait and no tracks. Say my name in all caps, it's still bomb like attacks. We the flame with no matches, no.
Drifting around, it's something I'm excelling at. But I've been worse off before all this, I've been to hell and back. And I got this shit locked down, but I don't need to tell them that. When I'm up on stage, they all like, who the fuck you yelling at? But I'm out here in the trenches trying to get my paper right. Never get to see no sights, cause all we do is stay the night. Crashing 5, then up at 6, bitch, you gotta take a flight. No 9 to 5, a dead end job, cause I ain't trying to waste my life. Gonna be real with you, I ain't never graduated. I dropped out early, started rapping, now I navigate the sky. Gotta be sincere, but clearly everybody rather lie. But the kids just keep on getting better, cause I'm never satisfied. Never lose direction, I'm just riding around. Put a beat on loop like me, you do, but not just vibe to the sound. Keep it elevated, but I got my eyes on the ground. I'm trying to find some peace of mind before I glide through the clouds. I'm drifting all over the map, never going back. Look at where I'm at. I'm drifting all over the beat, we ain't never sleep, this is how we eat. I'm drifting all over the road, out here on my own, this is all I know. I'm drifting, got another one, I ain't never done, always on the run. They think I came out of nowhere, I've been here from the start. Put them headphones on and block them